Hello, in today's video, we are going to learn how to properly set up units in AutoCAD. I am Diangha Bertrand Timgum, a master's holder in civil engineering and a civil engineer. By the end of this, you should be able to confidently set up the right units for any project you're working on. Setting the right unit is one of the first steps in any AutoCAD project. If your units are wrong, your measurements, dimensions, and scaling can all go off, which leads to big errors in real construction. So let's get it right from the start. We start by opening up AutoCAD. We click on New Project. In the command line, type in Units and hit Enter. This opens the Drawing Unit dialog box. Under Type, select the unit that fits your work. Architectural for feet and inches, Decimal for meters and millimeters, Engineering for decimal feet, Fraction and Scientific. Adjust precision depending on the level of detail you need. For example, you may want 0.00 for meters. Set Insertion Scale. Under insertion scale, this is critical. Choose your desired unit, for example, feet, inches, miles, millimeters, centimeters, meters. This ensures that blocks, XREF, and drawings you import match your scale. Angle type and precision. For most projects, leave the angle type as decimal degrees and set precision needed to 0.00. Once done, click OK, and your drawing is now working on the correct units. And that's how to set up units in AutoCAD the right way, whether you're working in millimeters, meters, or inches. This is the foundation of any professional drawing, and getting it wrong can cause major errors later in your project. In the next video, we are going to build on this by learning how to draw scaled drawings in AutoCAD step by step. So if you have ever wondered how to go from real-world dimensions to an accurate scale design, that video is for you. Subscribe and turn on your notifications so you don't miss it. I am Diangha Bertrand Timgum. I will see you in the next one.